everyone, happy January 1st and welcome back to my channel. I thought it was time that I jumped onto the cash envelope system. Been seeing it all over TikTok and on Instagram, so I thought I would give it a go. I'm completely new to this and I don't really know what I'm doing, so if you're looking for an in-depth video on explaining this, this probably isn't the video that you need. But if you just want to try it out like I am and kind of make up your own version, then you can definitely give this a go. So the first step was just to decide what sections that I need in my planner, and for me I was going to have 11 different sections. Of course all of these sections will look different for everybody, it depends on what you want to save for or what you want to budget for. And the planner that I'm going to be turning into my cash envelope planner is this Simply Gilded one. It kind of comes out every time I want to test a new layout or test some new inserts. I just grab this and change it into whatever planner. So right now I'm just emptying it all out so I can turn it into my cash envelope planner. So now I'm grabbing some paper. This I actually got from The Works, and they do have a website and you can buy things on there, but this is a giant pad. I can't remember what size it was, but they are double-sided printed. I'm just going to see if it says the size. Oh, it's no, it doesn't say. It just says 24 sheets. But I have two packs. One was the Floral Vintage, which is the one that I was flipping through first, and then this one here is the Lovely Mystery. And I couldn't really find any that I liked in the floral one, even though I'm into florals a lot lately, so that's why I'm grabbing some kind of blue ones out of this one. When I'd finally decided what patterns I wanted to use, I just measured the inside of my string so I could cut the card down, although I could have just used my old inserts and measured around those. So then I just cut them down to size, and because I had 11 sections I just had to round it up to 12, so then I could use 6 pieces of card, and I'll be folding them in half once I have trimmed them all down. So I've just completely made up how I'm making this planner. There are other tutorials on YouTube, but normally you need a laminator to make the cash envelopes. So I just wanted to do something where you didn't need to have a laminator or buy one of the budget planners that you can get online or from Etsy shops. I just wanted to use whatever I had here, especially as I don't even know if this is a system that is going to work for me. So I just wanted to do something where I didn't spend money to save money. Here I'm just using the clear plastic folders. I use these a lot when my children had homework to hand in. Obviously now they just hand it in either by email or on a pen stick or any other technology way. But I'm just cutting these down. So I took a £20 note because they are the big, well, a £50 note is bigger, but I didn't have one. So I'm just going to mark where I want to cut this. And once I've cut it down, I'm just making sure it fits in there. And I went a little bit bigger because I don't want it to be the exact size and then have it kind of fall out everywhere. And then I was making another clear pocket on the left side, so then I can put my tracker. As I was cutting down my envelopes, I noticed that there was a lot of waste. So I decided to try and washi tape 2 loose pieces together to make like a little pocket. And it kind of worked, so I was super happy that I wasn't wasting a lot of plastic. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick washi on 2 sides, and this is how they came out. And I went with washi that kind of matched the papers that I bought, and the stack of washi that I showed you was actually from, I think it was from Home Bargains. We went Christmas shopping, I saw washi and I just had to buy it. So now I've got all of those cut down, it was time just to stick them all in, and I'm just using double-sided tape. So let's speed through all of this. Once I'd stuck all of those in, it was time to move on to the left side of the page and create some trackers. So I'm just taking some card and I'm marking how big my little envelopes were so I can cut them all down to size. And then I'm just going to come up with a really simple grid. It was just a 3-column simple grid. And then I'm going to just label them. So for me, I've put them as a date, whether I'm going to add or take away money, and then the total. And then I've got 2 Tombow brush pens in 553 and 623, which are really just gorgeous pastel colours, and just drew some lines on there. And then we're just going to put them all into the planner. And then I have left like a gap on the side of my trackers so I can write down my header or what section that is. And then I've also got some stickers, which was from Amazon. I'll try and link them down below, but they were from Clever Fox and it was the budget pack. Budget and finance pack. It is full of lots of stickers that are going to come in super handy, and I don't even think it was that expensive, so I'll definitely leave the link for this down in the description box. So I'm just going to write down my headers, and then I'm going to take some stickers that kind of go with my header. So for this it was a no-brainer. I was going to go with the petrol pump. And then I'm taking 3 because I'm going to put 2 on my header, and then I will put 1 on the cash envelope side, so then it kind of matches. Once I had been through all of my planner and labelled everything, it was time to pop it in to my Simply Gilded B6. This is a size B6, I don't think I said that before. And then I just wanted to jazz up the front a little bit, so I've just added a couple of things that I made for myself. This was kind of cute. It just says budget class of 2022, and I'm going to be sticking these down with some double-sided tape. I also drew out this little piggy bank, and it just says "Don't break me," which I thought was really funny. I did also quickly add some washi. I just wanted something different behind the piggy bank, and I think that's pretty much it for the setup of this. I'm not sure if this is going to be a planner video that comes up on my channel a lot, whether that's weekly, monthly, or if you will ever see this. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do the cash stuffing videos, but let me know down below if you are interested in seeing any of those. And I think I'm just going to give you a quick flip through, but I'm really pleased with how this has turned out. She's quite the chunky planner at the minute, so she's only going to get chunkier as we go through the year, but I'm really excited to use it, and I am pleased how it came out. I know it's not how a lot of people make their cash systems or cash envelope, I don't even know what to call them, my cash planner. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope wherever you are, you're having an amazing day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.